This is the Tea Time Vintage Kit. The box is embellished with some of my applique work and lace. Inside, lots of goodies. We'll go through these bags in one moment. But first, I want to show you what's inside. Little container has some cute little items, embellishments and things that you can use in your journal. Here's a little glass bottle of buttons and pearls and things. Velvet ribbon, lace. There's 3 of these little booklets that you can add into your journals that are already pre-made. Here's the other one. And the third one. There are some embossed index cards. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some cute looking bird cages. Keys. Some tags, mini tags and embellishments. Some larger tags with a lacy background. Now, in the bags that are included, there's 2 Glassine bags, and there's a lace set, which has some pieces of lace, variety of lace, and some fabrics that coordinate with the kit. This Glassine bag has cute little handmade canvas heart, some note paper, and lots and lots and lots of embellishments that are kind of vintage looking. There's lots and lots of them. A lot of them are already trimmed. Most of them are trimmed and cut out. But there's a whole bag full of those. This one has one of my appliques that you can incorporate in your journal. And more embellishments, teacups, tiny teacups, bird cage, a pocket to embellish with, some embossed paper, some canvas paper, a few other little ribbons and things. So that's what came in this other Glassine bag. Along with the cute little clips. And last but not least, one of my printed bags. This paper bag is filled with pages. And these pages have a very antique feel to them. These are also papers that I've created myself, most of them. Oops. As you can see, some of the papers are already have printed items, but you can embellish the insides or even the outsides actually. There's cardstock for the outsides of the signatures if you'd like. I have a few pieces of cardstock. This is kind of a combination of what will be included in with the kit. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of pages. Combination of Victorian and old. To give that old feel. Anyways. Alright, so that's the full kit. If you're interested, I will put my website down there. And you can just let me know if there's a different type of kit you want me to put together. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.